When it comes to improving your home's curb appeal, few upgrades have as much impact as a new front door. Beyond functionality, your door sets the tone for your home's style and welcomes guests with character and charm. For Murray homeowners, where neighborhoods feature a blend of sleek modern designs and timeless traditional architecture, choosing the right door design is about striking a balance between aesthetics and practicality. Why the right door design matters. Your front door is more than just an entry point, it's the focal point of your home's exterior. An outdated or mismatched door can take away from your property's curb appeal, while the right style can highlight architectural features and enhance the overall look of your home. Whether you live in one of Murray's newer, contemporary builds or a more established, traditional property, matching your door design to your home's architecture ensures harmony and visual appeal. Door design for modern Murray homes. Modern homes often feature clean lines, open floor plans, and minimalist design elements. To complement this aesthetic, modern door designs emphasize simplicity and functionality. Sleek finishes. Smooth fiberglass or steel doors with matte finishes create a contemporary look. Neutral colors such as black, gray, or deep blue pair well with modern exteriors. Glass accents. Full or partial glass panels, especially with frosted or clear finishes, allow natural light while maintaining privacy. Large glass doors also create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Minimalist hardware. Streamlined handles, vertical pull bars, or concealed hinges add to the clean, uncluttered appearance. For Murray homeowners embracing modern design, the key is to choose a door that blends style with energy efficiency, ensuring both form and function. Door design for traditional Murray homes. Traditional homes in Murray often feature details like gabled roofs, brick or wood siding, and classic trim work. These architectural elements pair best with doors that showcase warmth, character, and timeless charm. Solid wood doors. Nothing says classic like a natural wood door. Stained finishes highlight the grain, adding elegance and warmth. Paneled designs. Raised or recessed panels bring texture and visual interest, complementing traditional exteriors. Decorative glass. Leaded or etched glass inserts can add a touch of sophistication without overpowering the home's character. Rich colors. Deep reds, greens, or navy blues can enhance the welcoming feel of a traditional property while adding a pop of personality. Traditional door styles help highlight the architectural heritage of older homes while making a bold, inviting statement. Blending modern and traditional styles. Many Murray homes incorporate both modern and traditional design elements, creating transitional styles that benefit from versatile door designs. A fiberglass door with clean paneling, for instance, can offer the best of both worlds: durability, energy efficiency, and timeless style. Adding side lights or transoms, the small windows around the door frame, can bring in more light while fitting a variety of home styles. By blending design details, you can create a look that feels personalized and unique to your home. Professional installation for lasting results. No matter which design you choose, professional installation ensures your new door looks and performs as it should. Proper installation guarantees a snug fit, improved insulation, and long-lasting durability, critical for keeping your home energy efficient in Murray's changing seasons. A professionally installed door also protects your investment by preventing common issues such as drafts, sticking, or premature wear. Final thoughts. Whether you're updating a sleek, modern build or restoring the charm of a traditional Murray home, the right door design can transform your property's exterior. From clean lines and glass panels for modern styles to rich wood and decorative glass for traditional homes, your options are as versatile as the homes in Murray themselves. By carefully selecting a design that matches your home's architecture and ensuring professional installation, you'll enjoy not only improved curb appeal but also lasting comfort, security, and value.